So today's topic is programmatic advertising and marketing. What? Let's get into the good stuff. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas back again from Sprocket Talk with another episode of What Is? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what programmatic advertising or programmatic marketing is and why programmatic advertising and marketing is important to your company. Whew, that was a mouthful. Like what you see and want to keep learning more? Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I'm going to share 3 ways that you can use/leverage programmatic advertising and marketing at your company. It sounds kind of like robotic, domo arigato, Mr. Roboto, but no, that's not right. What is programmatic advertising and marketing? Programmatic advertising and marketing is actually popular right now, but as it gains more popularity, it's getting the attention of marketers looking for new ways to increase effective and cost-efficient growth. It's also piquing curiosity of business owners and executives because of the potential cost savings in their advertising budgets. Basically, programmatic advertising is the automated buying and selling of online advertising. It uses auction-based software instead of a manual negotiation. This automation makes transactions efficient and more effective, streamlining the process and consolidation of your digital advertising efforts in one technology platform. Now that's pretty crazy. So why is programmatic advertising and marketing important for your company? Programmatic advertising and marketing gives an advertiser the ability to pay for impressions based on the value of the eyeballs viewing their programmatic ad. It can all but eliminate the flat CPM across all impressions on a website. Through the software, you get to send a bid for the ad viewed based on the value you've assigned to a variety of variables. These can include time of day, device, website, user cookie details, and so much more. This increases both the targeting and efficiency of advertising. Boom! Or boom. And that, folks, that's the nugget. You save money and reach a targeted audience. So how can you use it for your marketing? Number 1, use your pixel. Be a ninja about it. Whether you're running an awareness consideration or direct response marketing campaign, you should set up a conversion tracking pixel. Being able to retarget from valuable areas of your website is super important. Creating lookalike audiences to use in your prospecting campaigns? Yes. Number 2, test, test, test. Look at how different channels perform. It's not easy to move budget away from a channel that works and test a new channel you haven't used before, but one of the benefits of programmatic advertising is there are a lot of partners that have inventory for multiple channels. As an example, maybe you're running Facebook ads. They work pretty well. Consider testing a run with a display of ads on a website connected to TV or programmatic video. Test channels directly against each other, measure results, and double down on that winner. Number 3, align your advertising channel with your content, target audience, and campaign goals. It's vital to align your channel to every piece of your campaign. Channel performance can vary widely based on many factors. Some content pieces may work well with display type ads, while others may perform better on a native platform. And not all channels are created equal. Trust me, they're not all equal, especially for your campaign or your campaign goals. Hey, now that you know what programmatic advertising and programmatic marketing is and why programmatic advertising and marketing is important, make sure you're implementing it for your company's success. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well before you go. Make sure you're being a happy, helpful human along the way, and let us know in the comments if you start using programmatic advertising or marketing. And if you have any questions about it, because you just might.